You already know that buyers and sellers are tracking the market, watching home values, monitoring local sales, and comparing trends. But the question is, who will they turn to for expert guidance? In this video, I'll show you how to turn RPR's next-gen market activity template into a powerful lead magnet, so you can capture leads while delivering the insights your clients are already searching for. At this point, you've already customized your market activity report and clicked Run Report. Now, instead of just dropping the link everywhere, let's gate it behind a lead form so only those who provide their contact details can access it. There are a ton of form tools available, so choose one that fits your workflow. If you're using WordPress, Gravity Forms is a great option. If you prefer a drag and drop setup, Jotform makes it easy. Or if you want a more interactive experience, Typeform creates a conversational style form. Whatever tool you choose, the goal is simple. Collect contact info before granting access to the report. Keep your form short and focused. Ask for their name so you can personalize follow-ups. Email so you can send the report and future updates. And interest level, are they buying, selling, or just curious? Once they submit the form, you can either auto-redirect them to the dynamic report link for instant access or send the report via email, which gives you a built-in reason to follow up. So why does this strategy work? Because people will happily exchange their email for something they actually want: timely, hyperlocal market insights. Now let's get this report in front of the right people. Instead of posting it everywhere, focus on high converting channels. Send a teaser email to your database with a call to action like, want to see latest market trends? Get the full report here. Share key market stats on social media with a sign-up link. Add the form to your website sidebar or as a pop-up so visitors can request the report while they browse. If you create video content, mention the report and drop the link in your YouTube video descriptions. If you want to increase your reach, you can use Facebook and Instagram ads, Google ads, or retargeting campaigns to attract buyers, sellers, and homeowners in your area. With RPR's Dynamic Market Activity Report, you can attract more leads, grow your database, and stay top of mind with buyers and sellers. Try it out today. Customize your report, set up your lead form, and start turning market data into client conversations. Also, don't forget to follow RPR on our social networks and subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's one of the best ways to get RPR product and release updates, as well as helpful tips and tricks.